Alright, so for this last task here, we need to print out the username at the top of the picture of the cookie, right? So right now your web application looks something just like this, right? There's nothing on top of the cookie. But you saw my web application, it had welcome and then the username there, right? So if I come back over here, you could see it says welcome and it has my username there, right? So how do we do that? Well, it's pretty simple, right? We just add another div right here. We use the same style as we have for this div over here. We print out the word welcome, and we print out session user, right there. So yeah, how is that going to look? Let's go take a look inside of cookie clicker. Where is it? .php. Or maybe we could look at .html. No, we don't want to look at .html. Yeah, .php. We have that at the top of it, of course. And now we're right here where the cookie is. And above it, we're going to add a div. And we're going to add a div so that we can stylize it the way that we want to. And then inside of that div, we're going to have PHP code. And we're going to echo out the word welcome. And we're going to use string concatenation, and the way you do that in PHP is you do a period. So we have the string welcome space concatenated with the content of the session variable user, right? And I believe that we set that before we came into this website. Let's see, did we set that? Ooh, we didn't set it. Okay, so let's set it right here. $_session sub user is equal to $, I believe it's just user, right? Let's see, user. Yep. Okay, so yeah, and then now we're over here, and this is going to work. It's going to say welcome, the username, and a period along with, I'm sorry, this is a concatenation. We're doing two concatenations, welcome on one end and exclamation point on the other end. And if you save that and you run it, you'll change your application to look like this, right? Which is kind of plain Jane, to this, where it's going to say their username as they enter into your web app.